2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
2NURFM 103.7, our final appearance 2019 with our chef Gavin Forman. He's been in many, many years. How long have you been coming in, Gav?
I don't know. It feels like forever.
It does.
With you, it feels
believe
like,
me, it does feel like forever for
millennia
us too. Mate, you were wanting to come in. This is actually your second choice for our Christmas dish today. You wanted to do
I wanted to do venison, but
it was too dear.
It's dear, isn't it? Oh, well, how many times today are we going to do that joke?
Well, this is the first time the listener said, I've stuffed up here.
Yes.
We've waited for like 2 years. Gav's actually wanted some theme music, and finally, on his last way out for the year, we're going to play it for you. Here it is. Yes, we'd
very appropriate for you.
Eat it. So we are still talking the Christmassy vibe. Now, this is the little greens.
Yeah, it's based around Brussels sprouts. It's trying to get, because nobody likes just a boiled, boring Brussels sprout.
I actually don't mind Brussels sprouts.
Don't you?
Yeah.
You know, I hate it. We used to get them as kids, and then we like boiled to grey and just mush. It's just
and you
terrible.
sort of throw them at the siblings.
Yeah. So this one is what you do is you quarter up your Brussels sprouts and then you fry them off with bacon and butter and sugar and vinegar, because bacon makes everything better, and so does butter. So I'm a poet today. Did you notice that? So yeah, it's just really, really simple. It's just like equal amounts of sugar, equal amounts of vinegar, and bacon just gives it a bit of a twist. And there's a wee bit of a twist in my one that I didn't tell you about.
Oh, we'll get to the twist. I can tell you that the other stuff is there. I can taste the sugar, the butter, and yes, the greens are in there, bacon.
Yeah.
Now, what is the twist that I'm not aware of? I will hate this, won't I?
No, you won't. I used garlic butter instead of plain butter. So I fried it off in garlic butter. You see, that's a big lump of kale, and I can't stand that stuff.
Oh, I don't mind kale.
Really? The best way to cook kale is get your pan really, really hot, cover it in oil, get the kale in there so when it burns you can just scrape it straight into the bin and it won't stick.
So what does Christmas dinner look like? What's going to look like for you this year? Because you're back over in Ireland again.
No, I'm not. I'm not there for Christmas. I'm there for New Year's. But
excuse me.
I know. Yeah, excuse you. But yeah, Christmas just, I suppose, the same as everybody else. Almost become an Australian at this stage because I sound so Australian.
So what would be a roast on the table?
I'm not sure. I've got yet to be. I'm not actually cooking. Someone's cooking Christmas dinner for me, which is great. So Sue, if you're listening, pressure's on.
But you won't be too far away though. Like you'll be just keeping an eye on things from.
Oh yeah, I'll be supervising from my lounge chair and my big glass of whiskey, going, "That's not how you do it."
No, it's not how you do it. And something on the television, very nice.
Yeah.
Look, I don't mind this. I'll actually will finish this meal.
It's just as a side dish. It's just very simple to do, and it just brightens it and brings everything together. Especially if you're serving ham, because the crossover between the bacon and the ham is beautiful.
Particularly if you've got some leftover ham as well. Like if people do the ham as the big thing at Christmas and then you've got those couple of days ahead where you're just throwing some leftovers together, this is the go.
Yeah, especially if you've got a honey-baked ham, because then you don't have to add the sugar. You get a honey-baked ham, you just chop it up nice and fry it off with your vegetables, a little bit of vinegar. You know, it'd be gorgeous. Lots of butter.
Garlic butter in this case.
Yeah. Why not?
Gav, this is a pretty good recipe. Like I said, I'll finish the rest of that. We've got it up on our webpage at 2NURFM.com and our morning show page for you. Mate, thank you for 2019.
That's okay.
And you'll be back with us in February. At this stage, we think it's going to be Wednesdays, but we don't know.
We don't know yet. It's a magical mystery tour next year. So we'll wait and see what happens.
Oh, every 6 months, he changes his whole life around and he's about to do that again.
You got to evolve, you know? You got to evolve. You should think about it from time to time, Mark.
I am.
On that note,
believe me, I am.
I won't be back next year.
No. Well, if you're a chef and you would like Gav's spot, let us know. We'll come up with someone else. No, seriously, mate, thank you for this year. We look forward to catching up with you sometime after Australia Day.
Beautiful. Thank you.
2NURFM 103.7.